To remove the top light, it's very easy. This is a plastic piece on the top of the car, and all you need to do is just popping a few of these plastic clips out like this, and it should take you literally a minute or two to remove it, and then you can able to slide, which I'm going to show you in a minute. You're just basically sliding the metal piece out to the pull them out, and basically that's it. You can remove the top piece of the light out, and then all this light here, you need to do is just twist to the left, and you can able to remove the wire from it.
Material from the
crap in there.
From the
Broken.
headlight.
Yeah, it can cause short and stuff like that.
Yeah,
if they like water gets in there and all that. Yeah.
Good investment. There you go.
Oh yeah. Okay. So this, and then this guy too.
Look how much better this angle is than the straight on. What I'm saying is that
in this room that you're not talking about, you don't have to take the whole thing out. You just need to work with it.
Yeah. There we go.
I probably need that to pop out. Careful, you don't want to break it and use your Gorilla Grip or something. This one has water coming in there. That was bad. Snapping this guy back so that way it will stay and it looks beautiful. That's it.
Hi guys, I am rescuing her from an abusive relationship, and her eyes are pretty bad. Got bad glaucoma, and I decided to bring her back to life, giving her new sets of eyeballs and transforming her, wash her up, and clean her up, and she's gonna be beautiful by the time I'm done with her.